Alright guys, so this is what we got today. Had a flat tire and tried fixing myself, couldn't do it, and I took it to the shop, and yeah, I can use some new tires, but really until I can find what I like, I'm just not gonna change it. It needs to, but so I had it fixed, but before, when the guy pulled it out, he goes, "Did you see this?" The wheel is already, off the ground. I left it up, but the look display. I'm like, whoa. So I asked him how much was it, and he said it was like around 350 or something like that. And I'm not sure if that was with parts or something, but that was the code for it. So I just told him, well, just fix my flat tire. I'll get to it myself. So I got myself a new hub. That's the job right now. Get to it. Let's get to it. Okay, so we got a pin out. Shrunk. You can see somebody's been here before. Well, this is a 1997 Dodge Ram. I don't know, maybe I didn't mention that. So we need to get that bolt out. That's 1 1/16. Oh, not very tight at all. I wonder if that would have been the problem. Yeah, let me just give it a try. Let's see what that is. This was too loose, so let's see if that could have fixed the problem. Nope. So I retighten it, not over, but the play is still there, so that's not the problem. I guess the only way we know if I put the wheel back on, because this wheel does have a play. There's nothing holds it besides this caliper here. So, all right, let's give it a shot again. Only gotta put a couple nuts. Not gonna change anything. Well, guys, I don't see a problem. This is nuts. Well, it could have been that whoever was there, they just put it in there, didn't tighten it up. I mean, you saw me, I didn't tighten it that tight. But yet, now I got no play. Really don't think it's worth the trouble for me, even though I do got a new part. I'd rather save that for later. I mean, I don't remember my wheel getting hot, and believe me, we did some four-wheeling with this, definitely. The previous owner, I don't think he did. It didn't look like ever, but I did plenty. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it to that. Oh, I gotta put the carpet back in. So let's just call it that. This was just not really a fix. It's just I'm basically look and see if that's actually a real problem. Okay. All right, guys. So here we're gonna put a new cotter pin here. Since this other one was just pretty crappy. What a fix. What a fix. Sometime, I mean, it's like, don't get me wrong, mechanics are good for their, for people that can't do this kind of stuff where you just can't think for yourself. It's not that I doubted the guy. I even told him thank you for showing it to me. But I'm sorry, I just okay. Can't separate. The way I look at it, that was easy money for him. And just lost money for me. And yeah, the story is true, because why would I buy this if I thought that I didn't need it? But I know what I put this truck through. I know how crazy we were driving on that. We got this land there. We got like mud there, and there's some crazy jumps with it too. So and drive like gee, for at least close to 2.5 hours, at 70 miles an hour, and it's like, and I mean, I would have had a problem, but yeah, my front end was kind of loose. This might fix a lot of that problem too. So it's just crazy. New pin in there. It's not an old one. Let's hope that the pin wasn't jumping or somehow, and that's why it got loose, but it's hard to believe. Let's get back on the road.
Yeah.
Nice. Roots and everything. You got it. Wow.
Power.
Oh, man.
Emmy.
damage, guys. Pull the whole freaking thing out of the ground. Yeah, thank you, thank you. That's Dodge for you. We blocked our trench over here. Pull these bad boy out. Look at the channels I created in here. We're gonna have to do some work. We went deep, baby. We went deep again. Yep, we went deep. But at least it's deep, but a little dry. You know, deep and dry. We can get out of this one, no problem, no sweat, right? Yeah. All right, I need to get out of this one. Get me some coffee. Piece of cake. I was thinking I got stuck. You ain't got stuck nothing. You saw that mud? You ain't got stuck nothing, baby. Nothing. That's the land, guys. This is the land. And the boys over here. Can check on them, see if they're working. Oh, there.
Already?
What?
Took it out already?
Yeah, no problem. No sweat.
Man.
We got stuck in there, but we got out again.
Well, that's what I thought you might have gotten stuck, so I was just going to come see if you needed a pull.
Yeah, we had like a tree that was over there. We found that creek or whatever water, and we've been cleaning it up and trying to like allow the water to get out of there, you know. And it's like so, but no problem.
Okay.
It was just because I was pulling the tree. It was just too heavy, the root and dirt and stuff. So like, but I got out.
All right. Well, just remember, if you need help,
I
I'm
will.
right there.
I appreciate it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. You're welcome to walk over there if you want to.
No. You guys going to work for a while longer?
Yeah, we're gonna be. I mean, look, it's no rain. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why not?
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah. That's the block of land, guys. Yeah!
That's crazy. The log was holding it back, right?
I know. It was just like I was digging myself in because of the log. It was heavy.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I need that fuel.
Which
the,
one?
The red one. Not
This
that
one?
that little one. There you go. 'Cause that thing. Put it in the truck. And let me put the other chainsaw, that red one. I'm gonna try to get that one for a while. Not that one. The other one. I think it's too heavy. Only if I cut something big, I got that one for. Alrighty. You staying?
Uh-huh.
As you can see, the tracks that we got in there, they're like deep. Oh, look at this grass. The boys are working there. Yeah, so that thing being heavy just kind of pulled me in. Look at this thing. Well, I got out like nothing. So it's all good. All right.